So, does Scarr's make better pizza? Okay, now for this stop at Scarr's Pizza. They're known for their crust being very delicious and fermented. Very excited to try them out. So, the owner, Scarr Pimentel, wanted to make pizza that no one else has, basically elevating the common pizza through better ingredients. For a great pizza, you have to start with a dough. When he opened in 2016, he sourced organic, whole grain wheat berries and personally milled them into flour. I find this whole process very fascinating. I really hate when the pizza crust tastes like a cardboard box.
Emotional damage!
He wants to make sure he does not overly grind the grains to keep the temperature from rising, which can destroy the nutrients in the grain. He wants to make as much nutrition into each slice. After milling, he sifts the bran out to separate the flour to make the dough. Eventually, Pimentel found Champlain Valley Mill, which is about 5 hours north in upstate New York, making the flour to Scarr's specifications, and now he can make more pizza. Let's let the yeast bloom in some water, then add the flour to the water and mix. Then let it rest and allow it to ferment to help break down the dough. This process makes the crust more digestible and develops flavor. Add in some salt. Add in some organic high-quality olive oil. And keep mixing until you get this consistency. Let's portion out the dough now. And roll them into balls so they can proof. Adding a little olive oil to the pizza dough bowl will help release the dough when ready. After a day, we can stretch the dough and start building the pizza. And what is pizza without its sauce? Scarr's uses organic Bianco Napoli tomato sauce from Northern California. Within hours of harvest, the plum tomatoes are washed, steam peeled, and hand-selected, then packed in sea salt and basil. Here he's adding more seasoning to amp up the flavor of the sauce. Ladle on some tomato sauce and get ready for the cheese. Scarr's uses an all-natural aged cheese instead of fresh because the process of aging breaks down the cheese to make it easier to digest and provides a rounded out flavor. Scarr's has really thought out how to make pizza healthier and good for you. We actually waited online for about 10 minutes to order and waited another 10 minutes to get the slices. Oh, you taste the oregano on this one.
Did you taste something?
Taste the yeah, this one tastier. Well, overall, the flavor from the crust is really good. So the crust is really thin, just perfect New York slice. Actually, it's elevated because of the flour they use. The sauce is good. It had a lot of oregano in it. Nice and a little acidic. Cheese is there. A little greasy, but it's good. It's good. Okay, if I'm going to give a score of this, it will be, I'm going to have to say 7.1. 7.1 it is. You don't want to get in the video? No? Alright.